Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to temporarily disable Windows Defender in Windows. This is useful when you need to troubleshoot or install certain programs that may be incorrectly flagged by the antivirus. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright, let's get started. First, open Windows Security Settings. So normally you have to click on the Start menu and then you have to select Settings. After then, click on Update and Security. Now, click on Windows Security. Finally, click on Open Windows Security. And here you will see some options. Now, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here you have to click on Manage Settings. Normally, you have to turn off real-time protection. Give the permission by pressing on Yes. After turning off real-time protection, you will see a message indicating that your device is no longer actively protected. The protection will be disabled temporarily, but Windows Defender will automatically turn it back on after a short period or upon restarting your computer. If you want to turn Windows Defender back on manually, simply return to the Virus and Threat Protection settings and toggle real-time protection back on. So I'm turning it on, and that's it. How you temporarily disable and enable Windows Defender. Just keep in mind that while disabled, your computer is more vulnerable to threats. So make sure to turn it back on as soon as possible. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel and also don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.